Today we're building the Villa 120 flip leg. With your Villa kit you will receive the bench itself, pre-made arms and legs, a pair of flip legs and the connecting plank for those, and also a bag of fixings. With your Villa pack you'll receive 8 short sink bolts, 2 long ones and 2 with butterfly heads, 4 screws and a torque drive. You'll need a 13mm spanner and a screwdriver. The electric screwdriver and the rubber mallet are useful but not necessary. Place the Villa bench on its end and then take the armrest assembly with the legs. The longest bolt goes through the back of the armrest assembly, and this serves as a good locator point if you place it in first. Line up the holes and slowly make sure, one at a time, that each bolt drops in. Once they're all located, give them a tap. This will pinch each of them into place. Try to put the washers and nuts on at the same time and tighten them up to just finger tight. When finishing them off with the spanner, have a care not to over-tighten them, as this can crush the wood. With a flip leg, take the leg and when fitting it and offering it up, make sure that the 2 pre-drilled holes are facing the front of the bench. Drop the bolt into place, give it a tap, and again fit the washers with the nuts. Being a flip leg, when you fit the nut, make sure it is a wing nut, and again need only be finger tight, as you want the whole assembly to move when you're done. Now we fit the joining piece for the flip legs. Line up the 2 pre-drilled holes with the middle of the flip leg itself and ensure that the ends of the plank are flush. Make sure not to over tighten these. Now repeat the process at the other end. Pepe garden furniture is pressure treated. This process can leave batten marks as you see here, but they weather in over time. We recommend that you use the furniture protector provided with every kit in ½ litre, 1 litre or 2.5 litre tins, depending on the size of the item. This should be applied every 2 to 3 years, depending on exposure, evenly to the outside. Concentrate a little bit more on the end grains and the end of the legs for this darker finish. So that's the Villa 120. All that you need to do now is to sit in it and choose your angle.